So I'm just here going to go and do a short video on reverse bleeding. So let's get started. Now what we have here is a 100 ml syringe and then 4 foot of Tygon hose. Now this Tygon hose is specific for brake fluid, so absolutely fine with brake fluid. It's also so it's clear, so you can see the fluid going in, you can see the air bubbles coming out, so it's very visual. So you can see your progress and you know how you stand. So again, this is important for that. But also very importantly, what we've done is we've got this so it's actually specifically going to fit over your bleed nipples. So you can just push it onto your bleed nipple and it will work perfectly. Push all the way onto the bleed nipple. You can actually already see a bit of fluid coming out. And then suction. So what you're doing is you're just creating a constant vacuum. See how it's filling up. Now what this will be doing is taking all the fluid here out of the reservoir cup, out of the master cylinder. What you still will find is if you're going to strip your caliper out, is that you still will have some fluid still remaining in the caliper, so do expect that. As you release this, and there we have it. Not a drop spill. Next step, fresh clean brake fluid. Now again with the short line, making sure that your plunger is all the way in. Take that hose out and straight onto, and then again you just put pressure on the system and just watch the markers and it go through. Because now we're going to do it in a traditional way, but we just tie up the syringe, get it mounted up a little bit higher. There we go. And you can see just here where we've got the line in a vertical direction. This is important because it'll have the air coming up. So the system's locked and then we put a little bit of pressure, we'll push through. But what we want to do is keep an eye on just down here and watch the air bubbles coming out. And then so we repeat this until we pretty much get halfway down through on the reservoir cup. And now you can actually feel we're building up with brake pressure again. Job done. So hopefully you found the video informative and helpful. You can visit us at Brakecrafters.com and that's where we have the Brakecrafters Reverse Bleeding Kit. Thank you very much.